Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the radiator fan, also known as cooling fan on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, we'll talk about that. And guys, guess what, after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start right now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, for the radiator fan, also known as cooling fan, which fuses and relays we need to check, we're going to go ahead, open the hood, and facing the engine here on the right side, guys, of the vehicle. This is your main engine fuse box. That's on the driver's side. Open that cover, you just need to slide these things to the front, and underneath you have that fuse box layout here. Before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So guys, for the radiator fan, the cooling fan, okay, actually the fuses and the relays are not here, okay. We'll recommend to check the main fuses, but they're not. Okay, check this fuse just in case. But guys, on the front of the fuse box, now that fuse box layout is only for 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan, known as the facelifted Tiguan. We'll explain about 2008 to 2011 year model in a little bit. You see these mega fuses in the front, guys, that's what we need to check. That's 200 amp fuse, but you see you have an 80 amp. But right here, guys, okay, these fuses, you will have 2 up to 3 fuses for the radiator fan, guys, okay. Right here, it could be 50, 80 amps or 40 amps fuses. It could be different locations depending on the engine. So, what you guys need to do, okay, you need to test these fuses. So you get the voltmeter and you check for contact between that point and this point, okay. If it's burned, it's not going to communicate. It will be like a broken circuit. Now the first 2, most likely, this is for the that's the main alternator starter fuse. This is most likely the power steering, but again, guys, test all of them. If you have a 2008 to 2011 year model, things will differ. That's the fuse box now right here, but on the front side, you're not going to have a mega fuse pack, you will have individual mega fuses. And right here, you see, all these 3 in our case were radiator fan, cooling fan fuses. Now, Relays will be, we couldn't find specifically dedicated relay for the radiator cooling fan. You have many hidden relays. We made one video where the hidden relays are located. It's known as VW Tiguan relay location and diagram. Check it out so you can check other hidden relays as well if you still have problems with the fan to test those relays. But yeah, the video will be on the channel, guys. Our mission is to save as much money as we can. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.